AYO is Daeni, and today we are back at the gun range. Now, I am doing a video recording as I'm leaving 42 North Gun Range. Is that it? Long story short is I ran in here a little bit late. I only had about 20 minutes to shoot. So with that 20 minutes, I just got in there and I got the video that you are going to see or you have seen. So, yeah, I normally hate shooting at a gun range an hour before it closes. This one closes at 6:30. I walked in there around 5:45. So I had about 20 minutes to shoot. And it's only 9mm because sometimes these videos tend to be dragged out really long when you shoot multiple firearms. So I just went with my EDC, shot off around 30 rounds into 3 paper plate targets, and if you ain't see how that goes, you will see how it goes. So long story short, great range. I have a more in-depth video about this particular gun range. They offer military discount and all that beautiful stuff and different amenities. I think it's a little bit of a Army Navy store, so you're able to buy like surplus stuff from them as well. Pretty good range. It's getting really dark. This phone, while it works really good at night, I don't want to put that on you, and I don't want to put that on my name. Like, this will give you excellent footage because it looks good on the camera, but I don't know how it's going to look on a computer screen or a television. So I'm trying to make this as quick as possible so that, you know, you guys get to reflect on the amazing footage you just witnessed. I like the range. I love shooting here. I was able to put another 30 rounds down this particular, my EDC, the Smith & Wesson Compact 9mm, and it was great. I recently oiled it with the grease. That's something I've been doing for about 6 months. I want to say a whole year, but around 6 months. I've been doing that, and it's actually worked out very well. Now, it can get a bit messy on the inside, just depending on how long. So, all right, it actually not really, because the last time I oiled this gun was around six to 7 months ago, and it was it was minimally dirty, and I fired a lot, and so take that into consideration. Now, it's not for everyone, and I use a lot more grease than you really need to use when you clean your weapons or lubing your weapons up. But I noticed that it all fires really consistent for I think I did that, and I put around 1,000, I'll say 2,000 rounds through this firearm. But it's something that you would have to do with your firearm to feel, because I clean mine very dry, very thorough, and then I apply the grease. So it depends on who is actually cleaning the weapon before they apply the grease. So I wouldn't say that, I wouldn't go on the record and use my situation, 2,000 rounds, as yours. Really, you can fire for 2,000 rounds if you put grease in the firearm. It's something that you would have to try through trial and error before you do it on your own. So take that into mind, keep that into consideration. That said, that's all I have to say for you. It's getting really late, and I don't want you guys to lose me in this darkness. Thank you for watching. Please hit that like, hit that sub, comment down below, help this channel grow. Thank you. 1.